What's up, guys? How are you? I hope you are doing good, doing fine, and you're practicing the previous movements that we learned in this channel before. So, today we came back with a new move that will help for your fullness of stomach. So, as for example, you went an invitation and you ate so much you couldn't control your mouth and you're feeling fullness and heaviness of your stomach. In that situation, how can you stimulate your stomach to digest those foods quickly, and that will be helpful to reduce your fullness and heaviness of your stomach. So today we'll learn that, and it's a very simple move. So first of all, let me introduce the points you will be stimulating or you will be tapping on. So if you draw an imaginary line in between two nipple, or to be specific, in between two fourth intercostal space and the midline of your front, the midline of your chest. So there will be a point. This point is called Tanjong. So it's range 17 point. Conception vessel 17 number points. You can search it online and you can see the picture I am showing on the screen now. In that point, you will be tapping like this way. Okay. For tapping on this point, you need to make a fist with your both hand and with the angle of your both thumb finger. So in this way, you need to make an angle like this way, okay? And with this point, with this angle of your thumb finger, you will be tapping on the Tanjong point like this way. So if you feel heaviness or if you feel stomach fullness, you can do this move and you can do this tapping on this point for 5 to 10 minutes, okay, for 5 to 10 minutes, and you can see the results immediately, and you will feel the heaviness and fullness of the stomach started to reduce, and you will feel it will be reducing slowly after 5 to 10 minutes of tapping on this point. Okay, so if you feel heaviness, next time you do this, you just tap on this point for 5 to 10 minutes like this way, and you will be feeling the the fullness or heaviness of the stomach is already gone. So it's very quick, it's very simple. You can do it anywhere. You can practice it in your home, even if you ate a lot, even if you feel heaviness or fullness or for other reasons, you can tap this point and it will help to improve your digestion power immediately. So this is for today. I hope you like it and you can share it with your friends and family so that they can practice it. And this is really helpful. You can just practice it and you can comment down below how you felt after practicing 5 to 10 minutes only. And you can also subscribe to my channel for future updates. Thank you for watching.